So next is के limitation of Ampere circuital law. Limitation of Ampere's circuital law. Okay, we proved Ampere's circuital law that del cross B vector is equal to mu naught J vector. Is it okay? This is what we proved in the previous lecture. So if we take divergence on both sides, take divergence on both sides.
सही गल है, ये लेना होना ਆਪਾਂ.
Yes. Who is this person? Then left hand side will become del dot del cross B, and right hand side will become mu naught being constant will come out. It will become del dot J. Now this is an identity. I told you that whenever you take a divergence of curl of any vector, this is always 0. So therefore you will get mu naught into del dot J, and this will give you, if you divide both sides by mu naught, this will give you del dot J is equal to 0. So this is necessary condition. This is the necessary condition. This is the necessary condition for equation 1. So this equation. तो इसका मतलब the current should be, current density should be solenoidal. Solenoidal. Do you know what is solenoidal? आपको मालूम है ना? Or you can say
डाइवर्जेंस जीरो.
हाँ, जिसका डाइवर्जेंस 0 होता है उसको solenoidal कह देते हैं. और करंट शुड बी, यस, कैसा होना चाहिए करंट? स्टेडी करंट. तो solenoidal का मतलब होता है a vector field is said to be solenoidal if it does not have any starting point and end point. इस तरह की फील्ड लाइन को हम solenoidal कहते हैं. If it does not have starting and end point. Now I want del dot J equal to 0. Now let us say we have a capacitor connected to a battery. And we have a key here. So when I will insert key here, what will happen? For some time, the current will flow here. It will go in this direction, then it will go in this direction. Because battery conserves charge, so the current will flow from the wire in this direction also. But there no charge can flow between the plates of capacitor. We all know that. Therefore, charge will start accumulating here, because positive terminal of battery is supplying positive charge, and negative terminal of battery is extracting electrons from the negative plate of the capacitor, sorry, from the other plate of the capacitor. Sorry, I said it wrong. So actually negative plate of the battery is supplying electrons to this plate. As a result, the current will flow in this direction. It is not extracting electrons from this plate. So the electrons are flowing in this direction. Current will be in this direction, but electrons will flow in the anti-clockwise sense. But there is no flow of charge. Because there is no flow of charge, so you see there is a discontinuity. So there is a break in this current density. There is no J here. J is equal to 0 here. There is no current density. So as a result, this is not a solenoidal current. You can see in case of solenoid current, its starting and end points should be same. But you can see here, the current has a discontinuity. The current is starting from this part of positive terminal of battery, then it is going and it is stopping here. Then current is again available here. It is available within the key. Even it is available within the battery. You know that within the battery current flows due to the flow of ions. So but there is no current here. So as a result, we can say del cross B is not equal to mu naught J for this circuit. So Ampere's circuit law is not valid. Is it okay for you? Now I have
Yes,
revised.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now I have revised the previous part. So it is not valid. Such a current density which has zero divergence is called solenoidal, and corresponding current density means J and current means I. Corresponding current is called steady current. Let us now modify this Ampere's circuit law. So my topic for today is, let me start this topic from next page. Let the new page load. Okay, my topic for today is modification of Ampere's circuit law.
सर एक बारी पिक्चर स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
Okay, take it.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay, modification of Ampere's circuit law. Modification of Ampere's circuit law for non-steady or variable currents. ਵਧੀਆ ਠੀਕ ਬੋਰਡ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਲਰ ਕੂਲਰ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰੋ ਇੱਕੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਟਿਊਟੋਰੀਅਲ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਲੈਬ ਚ
ਕਿੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਨਵਾਈਟ ਲੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਐਂਡ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਖੁਦ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਗਾ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੂਰਾ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ
we will meet at 1. Yes, students. Okay, so modification of Ampere's circuit law for variable currents. For that, we have to make one clarity. What is one important necessary? Let me write down the Ampere circuit law in vector form. That was B dot dl over a closed path is equal to mu naught I. This was Ampere's circuit law. Now what you can see here from this, if I is equal to 0, this will mean that B is equal to 0. Would you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh yes, if you agree with this, now you please remember my this 5 minutes discussion is going to be very important in your life if you love physics. So please remember. So I will start with the discussion of this discussion with one question from you. That question you should tell me Oersted's conclusion. Please tell me what is Oersted's conclusion. It was based on Oersted experiment.
Current carrying conductor produces magnetic field.
Very good. So current carrying conductor always produces magnetic field. Is it okay? So in Ampere's circuit law, you can see this is Ampere's circuit law. I have also written this thing for you. It means in Ampere's circuit law, circuit's law, actually what happened that there is some puppy here. This current
सर कैरी मिनाटी नाम दा बंदा कोई है सर.
this Kerry Minati is very dangerous and we have to remove him. I have already.
सर सबको म्यूट कर दो सर.
हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं, no problem. I am not afraid of this Kerry Minati. So this current I is this current I, amperes in case of Ampere's circuital law, this current I is capable of producing magnetic field. So there is the actually important point lying everywhere in the Ampere circuital law. What current should be there in Ampere's circuital law? The current which is there in Ampere's circuital law should be that current which can produce magnetic field. So its source may be due to flow of charge. You know what is the definition of current? Please tell me what is the definition of current? It is
Rate
the
of flow of charge.
rate
Flow
of
of charge
flow
per
of
time.
charge.
Flow of charge.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes.
Please remember
With
this
respect to time.
with respect to time. Of course, when we do not use any word with rate, it is always with respect to time. Okay, that is why I did not talk about it. Now, this is very important for all of us. Please remember, this becomes now conduction current. Conduction current. Is it okay? So what is the problem in Ampere circuital law? The current that is shown here on the right hand side is actually which current?
Conduction current.
Conduction current. And conduction current produces magnetic field, yes or no? Answer is yes. Answer is yes. And
Yes.
please remember, according to Maxwell, was the scientist who removed this problem. According to Maxwell, this conduction current can produce magnetic field, but other currents are also there. There are other currents in which the charge does not flow. Other currents can also produce magnetic field. So what mistake Ampere made? Now you can tell me.
So उन्होंने displacement current add नहीं किया सीगा.
Add नहीं किया. It means Ampere was not familiar with the fact that he was totally relying on one experiment. What was that experiment? Oersted experiment. According
sir.
to him, magnetic field can be produced only when the charge flows. That is conduction current. But Maxwell observed that magnetic field can be produced by other things also. And one of the other thing was, what was that? It was change of electric flux. d phi E by dt. It was change of electric flux. And the current which is due to change in electric flux, it does not carry any charge. And that current is called displacement current. But it can definitely produce magnetic field. It can definitely produce magnetic field. Please remember. Is it okay? So Ampere's circuital law, yes.
Sir, displacement current में कोई charge नहीं होएगा?
The displacement current does not allow charge to flow.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Displacement current does not give us shock. उससे किसी को करंट नहीं लगेगा, उससे किसी को शॉक नहीं लगेगा. वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैदा कर सकता है. डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट कैन प्रोड्यूस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट कैन नॉट मेक द चार्ज टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर.
सर किस प्रॉपर्टी के कारण
कैपेसिटर के केस में आता है ना?
कैपेसिटर के केस में डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट जो होता है, there you have only magnetic field produced by displacement current. There you do not have on any this flow of charge.
बट सर कैपेसिटर से करंट तो लग सकता है.
कैपेसिटर से करंट तो तब लगेगा आप उनकी दोनों तारों को जो पकड़ोगे इकट्ठे.
हाँ जी सर.
ओके, तो वो तो एक्सटर्नल करंट हो गया ना, कैपेसिटर की प्लेट से बाहर चला जाएगा.
ओके सर.
Then that capacitor will act as a battery. Your body will act as a
Yes, sir.
resistance. That will be called discharging of capacitor.
यस यस सर.
But
Sir,
if you put your hand between the plates of capacitor, do not touch any plate. You put your hand between the plates of capacitor. You
Yes,
will
sir.
not feel any shock.
यस सर.
Please
Excuse me,
remember,
sir.
there is huge difference between these.
करंट प्लेट्स के अंदर होता है कैपेसिटर की.
Yes. There is no displacement current outside the plates of capacitor. Yes.
सर सोलेनॉइड
कैलकुलेट कैसे करते हैं?
Yes. Please ask Dwara question. Which girl was asking this question? Displacement current कैसे current?
सोलिनॉइड सर सोलिनॉइड में भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट होता है.
सोलिनॉइड में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो होती है वो कंडक्शन करंट के कारण होती है.
ओके
Please remember, magnetic field can be produced by conduction current as well as displacement current. Is it okay? Where there is magnetic field, current. So Vinay Gupta is raising hand. He can ask a question. I am not taking your chat, please.
Sir, please show me the last slide.
Okay. Yes, this is the
सर
last
कंडक्शन
slide.
करंट ਤੇ ਡਿਸਪਲੇਸਮੈਂਟ ਕਰੰਟ ਚ ਮੇਨ ਫਰਕ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਸਰ ਫਿਰ?
Let me finish the article. After that, I will write the differences in the tabular form.
ਓਕੇ ਸਰ ਓਕੇ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now we have to for yes.
ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਡਿਸਪਲੇਸਮੈਂਟ ਕਰੰਟ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ
that is what I am going to do now. Displacement current will be calculated automatically. We will find its formula while deriving it. Okay, wait for 10 minutes. Okay, so let me now describe you what is equation of continuity. Equation of continuity. So what is equation of continuity? Please remember, this is a charged capacitor. Please remember this. Is it okay? So rather I will not talk about this charged capacitor. Please, sorry, forgive me for that. So suppose this is a conducting body. This is a conducting body. Maybe piece of iron. You can assume it is a piece of iron. Okay. So it is a three-dimensional body. Please remember. So if it is a three-dimensional body, it is a piece of iron. Please tell me what will be the surface of piece of iron? Closed surface or open surface?
Closed.
surface.
Very. Please remember, surface is closed surface. What will be the volume of a piece of iron? Closed volume or open volume?
Open.
open
Open.
Sir, open volume.
I have already told you volume is always open. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
you take a rod. Let us say this rod is of rubber. You charge it by some means. Let us say by frictional electricity you have charged it. Okay, just think and tell me the answers. Okay, now this is what? This is neutral or charged? This iron piece?
Sir, neutral.
Neutral means does it have zero charge or it have equal amount of positive or negative charge?
Equal amount
equal amount of positive and negative.
Very good, very good. What will happen if I bring this positively charged rod near this let us say iron piece? What will happen?
सर नेगेटिव चार्ज
Negative charge is
Side पे हो जाएगा.
Negative will be here
rod.
and positive
Yes.
equal amount of positive charge will be here.
इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बन दो सर.
इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बन जाएगी ना. आगे अब आपने आगे चीज देखनी है. नेक्स्ट चीज आपने देखनी है. अब आपने क्या करना है? What you will do, you will bring this charged rod here. आप इसको यहां से यहां ले आते हो तो क्या होगा? What is going to happen? Please remember, this is a conductor. Please remember, this is a conductor. This is not insulator. It is not polarization. The process is not polarization. Please check it. Now what will happen? If I move this conductor from here to here, what will happen? This negative charge, will it start moving or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will start moving. Now this whole negative charge will come here and whole positive charge will come at
Here.
somewhere here. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
If I continue to rotate this rod like this,
करंट फ्लो करेगा फिर सर.
current will flow where? On the
Yes.
surface.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
On
Yes, sir.
On the surface. Now please remember, have I connected any battery to this conductor?
No.
No, sir.
So,
No,
so
sir.
there is no source, no sink. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is no source of charge, no sink of charge. The charge which is appearing and moving, it is not provided by anything. It is the charge of the body itself. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is a surface current. What will be that surface current? I will be equal to what? Please tell me. J dot ds.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? And this surface current is due to what?
Sir.
dq by dt. Charge is changing. Any doubt?
No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why negative sign here?
Sir, because it is in the opposite.
Because this charge which has appeared on the surface, it has come from the volume. The charge has accumulated on the surface and it has come from where?
Volume.
Volume.
From within the body. Is it okay? This
समझ नहीं
charge,
आया सर.
ये जो चार्ज है ये पहले कहाँ पे था?
Sir,
Inside.
sir, within the volume.
बॉडी के अंदर था ना, अब कहाँ पे आ गया? सरफेस के ऊपर है.
सरफेस पे.
तो बॉडी के अंदर जो है डेरिवेटिव नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा. डिक्रीजिंग क्वांटिटी.
Reduce हो
सर
जाएगी उसकी volume.
पॉजिटिव क्यों नहीं आ सकता?
Well, decreasing quantities have negative derivative.
Sir, क्योंकि
Yes, sir,
volume
yes.
reduce हुई है इसीलिए.
हाँ, the charge has reached the surface from the volume. So in the within the volume, please tell me what should be rho. Please tell me rho volume charge density क्या होएगी? Please tell me. dq by dv.
Yes.
What
Yes,
will
sir.
be dq?
Sir. Minus
Rho
ID.
dv.
Minus
Rho
rho dv.
dv.
It will be
Rho
rho
dv.
dv. It will be rho dv. Please see this. What will be there for total q? It will be triple integration of rho dv. Is it okay? So
Yes, sir.
please see that this charge is proportional to this volume charge density. If
हाँ जी.
charge has reached from volume to surface, then rho will decrease with time, na?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी.
So if I take derivative of q with respect to t, if I do not put negative sign here, what will happen? That will indicate that with respect to time, volume charge density is increasing. Now you are in getting surface charge density, you are also increasing volume charge density. How is that possible? It's not possible because there are no sources and no sinks.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you clear about this? If I have
Yes,
taken this current, surface current with the positive sign, I must take this volume current with the negative sign. So because I have not connected this body to any battery, no charge is being supplied by external agency. The charge increased on the surface must be equal to the charge decreased within the volume. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी.
Now I will add
Yes,
new
sir.
page. So therefore, for this figure, I can see that to conserve charge, we must have, what should be the relation? Yes, increase in surface charge
Equal to decrease in volume.
very good. Decrease in volume charge. This is a common sense. Okay. And
Yes,
it
sir.
will be, this equation will be valid only when you do not connect the conductor with the battery. Is it okay? So I will use here rate of, and similarly here rate of. Now what is this quantity? It is J dot ds double integration over closed surface. And what is this quantity? It is a minus dq by dt. And this can be written minus d upon dt in a triple volume. Yes, it should be Q. What is Q? Q is
Rho
actually
dv.
Sir, rho dv.
I will apply Gauss divergence theorem on the left hand side. What the left hand side will become? Please tell me. Gauss divergence theorem.
Triple integration J dot.
Del. Sir, del dot.
Del dot J
Del
dv.
Del dot J and
dv.
dv.
Okay, now I want to take this d by dt inside. What should I do? Please tell me. I have done this concept once earlier also.
Sir, partial.
Yes, it will become partial derivative. Very good, dear beta. This will become partial derivative. What was the reason I told you?
सर हम
That
क्योंकि charge ले रहे हैं.
any variable in this world is always varying with respect to time.
Time.
Is it okay? Because time itself never stops. So now I can bring both of the things on the left hand side. This will give me what? Tell me. Del dot j. Yes.
Sir, plus
Plus
partial
del
differentiation
rho
of
by
s with t.
dv.
Common आ जाएगा dv.
Now see, what is this integration? Answer.
It will be 0 and
Therefore, what can I write?
Integrate
Del
dot
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 j
j plus partial
Of
differentiation
this
of s by t equals to 0.
0. So this is called equation of continuity. Please remember, its proof is not in the syllabus, although I have proved it. Only we need it. Please remember, its proof is not in the syllabus. I have taught it to you for better understanding, so that you can get a charm of physics. This is equation of continuity. And what is the significance of equation of continuity? It is mathematical equation for law of conservation of charge. It is a mathematical equation for conservation of charge. Is it okay?
yes sir.
ठीक है. Happens. Now let me go to this part. We know that for solenoidal current density, del dot j has to be 0. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Or this is the condition for steady currents. If you talk in terms of current, you will use the word steady. If you talk in terms of current density, you will use the word solenoidal. Okay. So now if del dot j is 0, what you should do? Now this means we know that del dot j plus curly rho by curly t is equal to 0, and this is always, ये हमेशा होता है, because charge is always conserved. Therefore, if del dot j is 0, this will mean 0 plus curly rho by curly t must be equal 0 from equation of continuity. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
Okay, this will mean that curly rho by curly t is equal to 0. What should this mean? That rho should be equal to constant.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
Yes, sir.
what happens when the capacitor is charging? Charge density remains same or increases?
Sir, changes.
Increases, है ना? And what happens when the capacitor is discharging?
Decrease.
Sir, decreases.
Charge
It
decrease.
decreases. It means whenever capacitor is charging or discharging, J is never solenoidal, or current I is never steady. Current will never be steady. You know that. What will happen when capacitors just starts charging? What will happen?
Current doesn't flow.
Current will decrease. Current will be maximum when you switch on the circuit. As the capacitor starts charging, current will start decreasing, and when the capacitor is fully charged, the current will become 0.
Can increase.
Current will become 0 in the circuit. Now what happens when capacitor is discharging? What happens?
So the current will become
Current
max.
increase.
Yes.
Current will increase.
It means we are clear that in a capacitor, current can never be steady. steady. Current can never be steady. Current will either increase or it will decrease. It will never be steady. And the Ampere's circuital law, this del cross B is equal to mu naught J. It is valid only for steady currents.
Steady current.
Okay. So now we have done much more mathematics. Now we have created much more concepts. We can now modify Ampere's circuital law for variable currents or for the circuits which contain capacitor within 1 or 2 minutes now. Should we do that now?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
what
Yes,
is
sir.
written on the second line?
Yeah.
What is written in the second line? Equation.
Frequency. This is from equation. This is wrong. This is
Okay,
from equation of continuity. Sorry. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us now come to this. Now, del dot J plus curly row by curly T is equal to 0 always. We know this. This equation never fails. Equation of continuity, it is always valid. Is it okay? Also, we know that we have proved this in the class. Del dot capital D is equal to rho. Kindly confirm it. Have I proved this in the classroom? This is Gauss
Yes,
law.
Yes, sir.
This is Gauss law for dielectrics. Okay. So put value of rho. Put value of rho in equation number 2. What shall you get? Del dot J plus curly by curly T and del dot capital D is equal to 0. Is it okay? Therefore, del vector dot J vector plus del vector dot curly D upon curly T is equal to 0. Okay. Why I have taken partial derivative of time with respect to inside it and del I have taken outside it. You should not have any objection over it. Is it okay? Clear? Now this del vector I can take common. So del vector is outside and dot product will be here. J vector plus curly D by curly T is equal to 0. Is it okay? Now you know that. You know this, that only two things which can be added or subtracted should have same unit. So this should have, this quantity should have unit of what? J. What is this J? It is conduction current density. And what is this D vector? It is called displacement current density.
Sir?
Displacement current, sorry. Displacement
Sir,
vector. हाँ जी. Yes.
सर आप किसी की क्या भी मतलब सेम यूनिट ऑफ जे मतलब सर समझा एक बार फिर.
Look, can you add length to velocity?
No.
No, sir. Dimension same होना चाहिए.
You can only add length in length. You
Yes,
cannot
sir.
add length with volume.
Yes, sir. No.
It's not possible. Now there is a plus sign. If this is current density, what should be this quantity?
Sir also
Should
have
be-
units of.
It should
Yes,
also
ठीक
be
है
a
sir.
current density. Now this current
Okay.
density we already know. What is the source of this current density? I have
The
written it.
conduction current.
It is the conduction current
Conduction
density.
current
It is due to flow of charge. Where the charge is flowing? Please tell me.
Sir
Answer
on the
is
surface.
outside the
Circuit.
plates or inside the plates of capacitor. Where the charge is flowing?
Outside.
I will draw the
Outside the circuit. Outside the
outside the
capacitor.
circuit. Very good. So it means
Yes, sir.
where the current density can exist, only outside. It cannot exist inside. In fact, this was our problem in this article. Now this is a displacement vector. You know what is displacement vector formula? It was epsilon naught
E dot epsilon naught.
epsilon naught E plus P. Is it okay? So therefore, what is the source of this D vector? Answer is what? Either its source is electric field or its source is polarization. We can also write it like this. So the source of D is simply what? Electric field. So this quantity, which is curly D by curly T, should have the units of J. We call it displacement current density. And it should be written by JD vector. So if this is current density, it is displacement current density. Should I move to next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the next page, I can write it like this: or del vector dot J vector plus JT vector is equal to 0. Sorry, this is JD vector. Now the sum of two current densities should be a current density itself. I will call it to be JT. T stands for total. Is it okay?
सर कैपिटल पा दो
Yes,
टी
sir.
टाइम छोटा टी टाइम ਹੁੰਦਾ ना
Whatever you, I would rather than use for N. N stands for net current density. Is it okay?
ओके सर
Yes,
Now
sir. Yes.
this is a just smiling moment for us. Why? This tells that sum of two current densities, what is that? J and JD is, yes, always
0.
solenoidal. Beta, no, it is always solenoidal because the divergence of Jn is always 0. Now what was the problem with this? Please tell me, what was the problem with this equation?
Sir, here is simply J.
Del dot J 0 हो या 0 ना हो, ये both are true. Please tell me, ये कब true होता है? For resistances. और ये true ये होता कब होता है? For capacitors. But look at this equation. Del dot Jn is 0. This is always. I have just proved it. Therefore, in this equation, what mistake Ampere has made? He just considered only one current density, that was conduction current density. What
Yes,
he
sir.
forgot? He should have done what?
Displacement.
Displacement current.
So therefore, correct formula should be
J
So
replace
del across. So del across B is equal to mu naught into J and
very good. That is the answer. Del cross B is equal to mu naught into Jn, or del cross B is equal to mu naught J
J
plus
plus JD.
JD. This is modified Ampere circuital law in differential form. This is differential form of modified Ampere's circuital law. Is it okay, students? Now some girl student asked me what is the formula of displacement current. Let us now prove that. Is it okay? I will call this as equation number 4. Will you allow me to go to new page?
Sir, please show
yes,
the last.
sir. Yes.
यस सर
Okay, take
The
the
last page show
screenshots.
कर दो.
Last page, just take the screenshot in a minute.
Next, sir.
Okay. Now I will draw the actual original figure of my previous lecture of Ampere's circuital law, so that you are not confused, because in equation of continuity I asked you what is the surface, open or closed, and your answer was what? Please tell me the answer that you
Closed.
gave.
Closed.
It was a closed surface. Now we have to be very, very aware that diagram was only for equation of continuity, but for Ampere's circuital law our diagram was like this. Now I am going to prove Ampere's circuital law, modified form of Ampere's circuital law. And in case of modified Ampere's circuital law, what is this? This is closed path. And what is this? This is current carrying conductor. Now please tell me, what is this surface area within the closed path? Give me the answer. This surface area, closed or open?
Open.
Sir, open.
Very good.
Open.
Now, what about this path? I have already written the word. Please remember,
Closed
path is
Closed
closed and area is open.
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 We have proved just this thing now. What is this? We have proved just del cross B is equal to what?
Sir, can you please show the previous slide also?
J plus
JD.
JD. I will show you the previous page. Somebody is asking it.
सर सेकंड स्लाइड भी शो कर दो सर, सेकंड स्लाइड.
Okay. This was second. This is third. This is fourth. And this is fifth. Please see this. I will change the color here. Please see this. I have made a red round about something, around something. What is this? This is actually JD, because I need it, please. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I called this quantity to be JB. I need JD. I need it. So okay, I am going to put the value of JD here. It will become mu naught into J plus curly D by curly T. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
Okay, very good. Now please see what I am going to do. Take, this is very important line that I am writing. Take open surface integration along both sides. This is very important. Look at this word. What is this word? Open. It means now I am discussing this equation over this figure. Is it okay? So this will become double open integration del cross B dot ds. It will become mu naught double integration J dot ds plus curly, sorry, it will be double integration curly D upon curly T dot ds. Is it okay? Any doubts so far, students?
No,
No
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Apply Stokes theorem here in the reverse order. Please tell me what should be the answer.
Line
Sir,
integration.
B dot ds.
It will be line integration of B dot dl. Is it okay? Somebody's
Yes, sir.
mic is very noisy. Kindly mute yourself. It will be mu naught. Please tell me what should be this quantity. You already know this.
So I.
It should be I.
I.
What is this I? It is the current due to it is which current?
Conduction current.
Conduction current.
Very good. It is the current
Flow
due
of charges.
flow of charge. Now this please, somebody's mic is very noisy. Although I know that that student is not naughty, but mute yourself. I know that the student is not naughty. Okay. So please now look here. This is plus sign. If this
Naughty.
is current, now here is naughty student. This is this. What is the unit of this quantity?
Ampere.
Now this is a plus sign. I have added plus sign here. Anything which can be added to this I should have the unit.
Same.
Ampere.
Ampere. I would call it to be ID.
Displacement current, sir.
That is called displacement current. Did you study this equation in your plus 2 class? It was like this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
ID?
sir.
Where ID is this thing, curly D upon curly T dot ds. Is it okay? Now, if you allow me, can I take this derivative outside?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, please see this. I have taken derivative outside. Immediately, it will become partial derivative or full derivative.
Full derivative.
Full derivative.
You know this. If I want to take it inside, then it will become
Partial.
If I take it outside, it will become full derivative.
Full.
Is it okay? So
Yes, sir.
this will become d by dt. What is capital D?
Sir, एक बार screenshot ले दो.
Take because the time is very short. Next teacher will join very soon. So I have only 4 minutes. Please take hurry up. Take the.
ले लिया sir.
ले लिया? Okay. Now please remember that what is D? It is epsilon E. Please mute yourself. I have very less time. This is epsilon E. So what will be D dot ds?
भाई म्यूट कर लो.
Epsilon E dot.
It will be epsilon E dot ds. By please, and d by dt E dot ds, and let me go to previous page. It was this quantity. ठीक है? So this can be written as, and it was a surface integration also. Sorry, it was open surface integration. Sorry, it is a open surface integration. Now please tell me, what is this quantity? It is phi e, flux. So it is
Yes, sir.
epsilon d phi e upon dt. I guess you wrote this formula in plus 2 class. Only difference was
sir.
that k id was equal to epsilon
Yes, sir.
naught d phi e by dt. What is this? Epsilon naught. You were told about epsilon naught. It was assumed in your plus 2 class that capacitor has vacuum inside the plates. But we know that we can also fill the medium between the plates of capacitor. So the general formula for displacement current is this. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. I will
Yes,
stop.
sir.
I will stop this lecture right now. Now you
लास्ट स्लाइड शो कर दो.
कौन सी?
Sir,
Yes.
the
Last,
previous
sir.
one.
This is the last one itself. इससे पहले-
Slide.
सर मतलब प्रीवियस, सर से प्रीवियस.
इससे previous. Okay. This one is the previous.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
सर नाउ
Thank you,
शो द
sir.
लास्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. द लास्ट वाली.
Okay. Show.
फर्स्ट स्लाइड शो कर दो.
Okay.
सर ये रिकॉर्डेड यूट्यूब पे मिल जाएगा?
सर लास्ट शो कर दो.